Since 1963, ATAS International has been a leading manufacturer of metal wall and roof systems. In this video, we will cover basic installation details pertaining to our Winlock series of profiles being applied over a solid substrate in a horizontal application. This is an alternative method to create a panel splice on areas where multiple panels are used to create long-run elevations. A trim is being used to create a bolder visual effect vertically up the wall. The snap H trim, similar to our snap J channel, is used. The snap base on the H channel is the same as the previously shown on the snap J channel. However, the cover is made to hide the cut edges on both sides of the base trim. The H trim is often used to break up a long elevation on a wall. It is installed prior to the first panel being installed on the elevation. A snap H trim is similar to the snap J channel. The base of the snap H trim should be installed to the length of the panel plus 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. This will allow for thermal movement of the panel. Snap a vertical level line on the wall and then attach the base onto the wall at this location. Angle trims are required to be used on both sides of the base trim. This will allow for color to be on both sides of the cavity of the snap H trim. After this is done, install panels on both sides of the trim. The H cover is then snapped into place to complete the trim assembly. At this point, panels are installed between the two sets of trims. Trims should be fastened 2 foot on center with proper fasteners. For more installation details, please visit www.ataz.com.